How to create a new account on Badoo. Open the Badoo app. Make sure it's installed from the Play Store. Badoo gives you multiple options like phone, email, Facebook, Google. Pick the one you prefer. Using Google or Facebook is the fastest. If you are continuing with Google, you can create a passkey, or for now you can skip. Enter your name. Badoo will ask you the question what you are using Badoo for. Enter your date of birth, enter your gender, and answer what you like to see in Badoo. Now add a profile. This is super important because it's the first thing people notice. You can take a new photo or upload one from your gallery. After adding your photos, tap continue. If you grant permission for your location, it helps you meet people nearby. Badoo may ask about your interests so it can suggest better matches. Fill them if you like, or you can skip this step. Once done, you are all set. You can browse profiles, swipe, chat, and even meet new people. Remember to stay safe and fun. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question, drop them in the comment. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.